everybody, it's Caroline. It's Angel.
And this is Sage.
Alright, so today we'll be attempting the ice and salt and ice challenge. Yeah, it's gonna kind of like kill us, so I don't care. I heard it really like.
Yeah, like Stephanie and Logan did it.
Yeah, they did it. So
And I think the girls have more luck than boys.
I know, because Logan didn't even did it right, I guess.
Mm.
Anyways, yeah, maybe he's allergic to salt. Who knows? Anyways.
Yeah.
Hey! Okay, so we're going to be doing the salt and ice challenge. And we got our ingredients. Bum, bum, salt and ice. And we're just, like, leaving them there. Anyways, try to not attempt this at home because you're going to die.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to be doing it. First up, we'll do each other. Here it goes. Okay, so now I just need the ice. Here we go. Right. Ow, 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 ow!
This feels good.
Now I guess it's my turn. Let's see. So I just put my arm out, like so. Just move my hair a little bit. All right. So I'm just gonna go close so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, let me just get some salt. All right. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the ice on. Ooh, this is gonna be cold. Wait a minute. This is nice. Well, we'll come back with the results. Okay, so we're back with this result, and I'm in really, really bad pain. As you can see, my burn is really red. It hurts really bad.
Look, my skin is glowing.
Is my skin supposed to be blue? Like, just look at it. You can see the blue.
See, my skin is glowing.
Is my skin supposed to be blue? I thought this was supposed to be like make your skin glow. Like, you can see the blue.
My skin's glowing.
Oh my gosh, why am I blue? Why am I blue?
I don't know.
Why am I blue?
My skin is
I need flawless skin.
Ow. Oh, are you okay?
Anyways, what's wrong with her?
Hmm.
Well, anyways, that's it for now, guys. Bye.
Everybody do it, do it, do it, do it.
No, don't do it. It hurts.
It doesn't hurt.
It hurts.
It doesn't hurt.
Well, you must be a mutant because
I live in Mexico. I'm used to it.
that doesn't make sense. Anyways, bye, guys. Don't do it.